Hey Lumi friends, Amanda here, and I'm back today with another unboxing of some amazing Rainbow Loom products. You can see what I have here is the Rainbow Loom Beadmoji bead bracelet kit in the pretty pastels. So if you want to see what's inside, come back and join me. So I will highly suggest that when you do open these to be very, very careful, because even though that they are secure in there, they do like to kind of explode when you open them up. So I'm just gonna take these and slide them over. And they are so cute. There's all kinds of little emojis on here, or we'll just call them emojis because they are part of the Beadmoji. So this one says BFF. Trying to make sure that you can get that. This one looks like a little cake. I'm trying to find that. There we go. This one says twins. That would be good to give your best friend. So all super, super cute little beads. And you can make so many of these to hand out to your friends. So I will say what has actually brought me back to rainbow looming is, obviously, you know, Loom for a Cause. It has to do with Adam, my son Adam, and his challenges that he faces with Down syndrome and autism. So he's an adult now. He goes to an adult day center where they provide him therapies, and he gets to go and hang out with his friends because he's no longer in school, no longer school age. So when he first started going there a little over 2 years ago, we made bracelets for everybody. I think he has some friends, like 77 friends that he hangs out with and therapists, and we gave bracelets to everybody. So it was amazing. So fun. So we've kind of had a couple of days where we've been there and just made bracelets with with his friends, and had a good time sharing about Rainbow Loom. So that's kind of what's brought me back to looming, and I love to share this with you guys. All right, so this looks just like, I'm going to show you, this just looks like a figure loom. Very, very similar, only this one has 4 and this one has 2. So I think what they've done is they've just omitted the outside ones and made this like so. So pretty cool. So I guess you can have a buddy, because it comes with 2, and you can share one and make bracelets together. So I'm going to get a fishtail started here, and I'm going to show you how to incorporate and put all of these beads onto your bracelet. All right, so I have my fishtail going. Very, very much in love with these pastel colors. So I just went in and used right in a row, just how they are all lined up. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to use this little speed loomer. It's very, you just slide it in the grooves. You're going to grab the bottom band. It actually goes with both of them, and you put it on there just like that. Show you one more time. One more time. Had to find the right band color. And just like so. All right, so how cool is that? Our little speed loomer. So I'm going to use this little cool tool to add our Beadmojis to the bracelet. So I'm gonna see, gosh, there are so many of these. Wow, I like this little rainbow right here. I'm gonna open this up. See if I can find it now. It's probably disappeared on me. Nope, there it is. All right, so I'm gonna take this rainbow. This one I like, and then I like this little smiley face right here. Okay, so we are going to take this little, you can see this little, it's little tool. I don't know the name of it. I don't know what it's called. It has to have a name. I'm going to look again. It's just called a dual hook. Okay, that's good. That works for me. I said that, so yes. So we're going to take our dual hook, and it does come with 2 of these. So one for your buddy and one for yourself. And I'm going to take my little rainbow, just slide it in like so. And I've got it on my bracelet already. How easy is that? All right, one more. Actually, I'm going to use the spacer in between. So here's our little spacers. Goes in there. I'm going to use a green one. So I'll just take it, put it on there just like that. And then I'm going to add my Beadmoji of the little smiley face with their eyes closed. So looky there. Super, super cute. And then you'll just pull it off like that. And then you can actually continue your bracelet or you can leave it. So I'm just going to finish this up off camera and put it aside. But I just wanted to show you how adorable these little tools are, how fast you can rainbow loom, and that you can get a fishtail bracelet done in no time with these little things. These are perfect. This little kit right here, throw these in here, carry it in your car on a little drive to, I don't know, going out to eat one night, just sit there and make a bracelet on the way. It's just very, very convenient. That's what I love about Rainbow Loom. Super easy to do. All right, so happy you joined me for this video, and stay tuned, there's more to come. And everybody say hi to Agnes. Say bye. All right, just real quick before I say goodbye, finally, I just wanted to show you how cool this is. So we have our loom, and then we have our speed loom. Look at how cute that is. That just sits right in there, and you can put it away. Slides right in there. Voila. And you can pack it up.